Introducing Decinema Extreme, a total game-changer video toolkit that allows you to create winning sales videos using nothing but PowerPoint. No complicated or expensive video software, no more expensive video designers, no technical skills required. Decinema Extreme is a giant toolkit and collection of spectacular video templates that allows you to create high-quality and winning sales videos. We provide a total solution for high-quality and social media video content. At a glance, you will not believe that Decinema Extreme is developed 100% by PowerPoint. See how easy it is to create an amazing video using Decinema Extreme. Step 1. Choose. Pick one of our proven high-quality templates. Step 2. Design, customize. Customize every aspect, color, text, and more. Step 3. Export to full HD video. Click to export your video in high-quality resolution. You will think that the video on this website is made from advanced video editors like Sony Vegas, Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, iMovie, or others. Decinema Extreme is simply amazing. See how Decinema Extreme will hypnotize your prospect. Decinema Extreme is fresh on the market and is currently on early bird sale. There is a catch though. It is on dime sale and the price is going up rapidly with each product sold. So get it quickly to grab the lowest possible price while you can.